What does it really look like to spend hundreds of millions of dollars when you're the fastest man on earth? We're talking secret mansions in elite cities, multi-million-dollar hypercars, and a lifestyle so exclusive that most fans never see it. But here's the twist. Lewis Hamilton doesn't spend like other superstars. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how he built a financial empire that keeps growing even when the engines stop. Stay with me, because his most shocking purchase comes later. Lewis Hamilton's estimated net worth sits around $300 million. But here's what makes that number powerful. He doesn't just earn, he allocates. His spending follows a pattern. Real estate first, automotive passion second, and lifestyle investments third. Think of it like a blueprint. Every dollar has a destination, and the biggest destination is property. Hamilton has owned properties in some of the most expensive cities on the planet, and the numbers are staggering. One of his most famous homes was a New York penthouse valued at roughly $40 million. Floor-to-ceiling glass, panoramic skyline views, and ultra-private amenities designed for elite residents. In London, he invested in a luxury mansion worth about $25 million, located in one of the city's most prestigious neighborhoods. This isn't just a house. It's a long-term asset in one of the world's strongest property markets. And in Monaco, Formula One's billionaire playground, Hamilton owns a residence estimated around $15 to $18 million. Living there places him minutes from the racetrack and surrounded by global elites. Combined, his real estate portfolio alone approaches $80 million. That's not decoration. That's strategic wealth parking. But his next spending category is driven by pure passion, and it burns fuel. For most people, a car is transportation. For Hamilton, it's art. His collection includes rare machines from Ferrari, Pagani, and Mercedes-Benz, and the price tags are jaw-dropping. One standout is his custom Pagani Zonda, valued at around $2 million. It's a hypercar built in extremely limited numbers, essentially a collector's trophy. He has also owned a Ferrari LaFerrari worth approximately $1.5 million, one of the most exclusive hybrid supercars ever produced. Then there's the Mercedes-AMG Project One, estimated near $2.7 million. A road-legal Formula One inspired machine, adds several other luxury vehicles, and his collection comfortably exceeds $10 million in value. But here's the twist. Despite owning some of the fastest gasoline cars ever built, Hamilton has openly moved toward electric and sustainable driving, signaling a shift from raw speed to future technology. His garage isn't just expensive, it's evolving. Hamilton's lifestyle spending extends beyond houses and cars. At one point, he owned a private jet valued near $25 million, allowing him to travel globally on his own schedule. Even after stepping away from private jet ownership, his travel standards remain elite. Fashion is another major category. Designer collaborations, custom wardrobes, and global appearances easily represent millions annually invested into maintaining his public image. Because for Hamilton, image isn't vanity, it's business infrastructure. And that infrastructure feeds back into his empire. Not all of Hamilton's money goes into luxury. A significant portion supports philanthropic initiatives focused on education, diversity, and sustainability. While exact figures remain private, his charitable contributions represent a meaningful slice of his financial ecosystem. This adds a dimension most luxury breakdowns ignore. His spending isn't only about lifestyle, it's about influence. You've seen the mansions, you've seen the cars, you've seen how a Formula One legend spends hundreds of millions. But here's the secret. Most people never realize Lewis Hamilton's most expensive asset isn't a mansion. It isn't a car. And it's not even his private jet. It's his legacy. Every million he spends is calculated to expand influence, increase his brand, and secure his place in history. That's why his portfolio of property, cars, fashion, travel, and philanthropy isn't just flashy. It's engineered. Every asset appreciates. Every move compounds. Every decision builds momentum. While most celebrities burn money for short-lived status, Hamilton turns it into power that grows even when he's not on the track. And here's the kicker. With $300 million net worth, multi-million dollar mansions, a $10+ million car collection, and private travel privileges, Hamilton is still expanding. He's not slowing down. His empire is accelerating, and the next headline could be his most shocking move yet. One that will redefine how the world sees athletes' wealth forever. Lewis Hamilton doesn't just live luxury. He lives strategy. He races the world